American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You can call or text Anthony at 954-706-0081. We're going to do a startup and a boom demonstration on our 2006 International 4300 Altec 47-foot material handler bucket truck. Truck has 100,000 miles on the chassis. Ice cold AC, 4 outrigger hydraulic controlled. Again, it's a 47-foot working height with a material handler. This truck I offer financing, shipping, and export on it. Again, this truck is being sold by American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. The truck has been fully demonstrated, insured for leaks. Any hoses that need to be replaced have been done so. This truck is ready to go to work. Truck is equipped with a DT466 automatic transmission. Again, you can call or text Anthony at 954-706-0081. Again, 47-foot working height, Altec material handler. It is on a short chassis International. Truck has been fully demonstrated, ensured no leaks, no hydraulic issues. It is fleet maintained, one owner, no accidents. Again, it does have a material handler at the bucket. Go ahead and demonstrate the rotation feature. Sorry about that, we had a camera die, but again, we specialize in bucket trucks, derrick diggers, cranes, vacuum trucks, any aerial trucks, cable placers as well. If you have any questions, again, just give me a call, 954-706-0081. My name is Anthony Rubio with American Trucks and Equipment.